Welcome to the table, babe. This isn't a meal, it's a whole experience. Fresh out the oven, juicy, golden, unreal, with rice or as is. You're the main character. This isn't dinner. This is desire. These are sexy gourmet luxury turkey wings. Let's get into it. Step 1, cut and prep the wings. Clean and rinse the wings like you're washing off the past. Only freshness enters this flavor era. Take these big, beautiful wings. Hold them like you own the kitchen. Take control. Split them in two like you mean it. Slice deep into the thick parts. We're not here for surface-level flavor. If the seasoning doesn't reach the soul, what's the point? These wings are about to become unforgettable. Drop those wings back into the glass dish. Let them sit tight. The flavor's coming, and it's coming hard. This is the calm before the seasoning storm. Step 2, seasoning equal foreplay. Here comes the drama. Garlic powder, slap ya mama, Old Bay, paprika, cayenne. We're not cooking, we're casting spells. Add crushed pepper, onion powder, black pepper, Goya, and parsley. Now mix, slowly, thoroughly, like you're waking the flavor up. This isn't just combining, this is commitment. Make sure every piece is touched, coated, claimed. Step 3, drizzle the oil. Pour it slow, let it glide over every curve. This is how the flavor locks in. Oil is the invitation to intimacy. Every inch, bestie. Every inch. Sprinkle the seasonings all over, then massage it like you're sealing a secret, slow, deep. Let the flavor fall in love. Massage it like it owes you money. Take a moment, check the vibe. Everything should be cool, calm, and ready for heat. Zoom in, that's flavor with an attitude. Step 4, veggies with range. Now we chop. Celery, small, snappy, no nonsense. Bell peppers, all 4 colors, because we don't do boring. Onion sliced for drama. Chili pepper? Optional, but we're not. Toss it all in a big bowl, then set it aside. We're not done. The carbs are waiting. Step 5. Carbs plus herbs equals power. Baby potatoes. Slice them in half, clean and firm, like setting boundaries. Because if you're not setting boundaries, what are you even doing, friend? Parsley for personality. Time for depth. Chop that parsley like you're adding personality, fresh, bold, and never boring, just like you. Strip the thyme, gently but with purpose. Only the flavor stays. The stems don't get invited. Own the garden. Set it all aside. We're building a flavor empire. Step 6, the assembly line. Pull out your biggest, boldest baking dish. This is her stage. Lay down the baby potatoes and carrots. Let them form the base, strong, solid, grounded. Spread those sexy veggies on top like you're layering silk sheets, because what comes next needs the mood just right. A little oil to coat like satin. Every inch deserves the glow up. One Maggi cube. For the culture. Crumble that flavor bomb like you own the kitchen. We want every bit melting, mingling, and making magic. Then mix it like you're stirring drama. Thick, messy, and absolutely necessary. Step 7. Centerpiece time. Lay the turkey wings on top. Spread them out like royalty. Don't waste a single sprinkle. Collect every bit of seasoning from the glass dish and give it back to the queen. Squeeze lemon juice all over like you're blessing the pan. One cup chicken broth for depth. Pour that chicken broth slow. Don't wash away the seasoning. We want all that flavor front and center. Coconut milk for creamy seduction. Give it a golden shower. Finish with parsley and thyme, crowning the creation with fresh royalty. This isn't just prep. This is the build-up to greatness. What's coming next, you ask? A transformation, a glow-up, a full-blown main character moment. Look at this beauty. Not her fault your little boyfriend can't stop staring. Honestly, I don't blame him. Cover her in foil. She needs time to transform. Slide her in the oven like he's sliding into your DMs. Bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Let her glow up. Let her sweat. She earned it. Step 9, the unveiling. After an hour, remove that foil like it's a satin robe. Look at her. Bubbling, steaming, unapologetically juicy. Don't stab her yet, the best is still coming. Turn your oven to broil. Give her 15 minutes to get golden and bold. Step 10, final saucy flirt. Take her out, she's ready. Look how bubbling and exciting she is. Shower her with that rich, silky sauce, loving every drop. Look at her, stunning. All the Dusties wish they could taste. But baby, this is gourmet, not fast food. Lift one up, let the juice drip. Tell me this isn't luxury with a bone in it. We're not just cooking, we're creating temptation. Serving looks. Serve it 2 ways, just the wings and veggies. Classy, confident, single. Look at that juicy, steamy potato. Oh, did I make you hungry? Oops. Look at the meat, just sitting there, obedient, waiting to be forked. Slide the fork in, no resistance. That's luxury, baby. Soft, juicy, submissive to the flavor. Or add a side of basmati rice, soft, supportive, giving, I'll hold you down. Either way, this is main character cuisine. The fantasy, served. Save this recipe for when you want to feed someone and never see them the same again. Because once they taste this, it's over for their mama's cooking. #luxury in the kitchen.